What's up, guys? Welcome back to another adventure.
All right, heading to the zoo.
Today we're going to the zoo. Right now we're picking up some road sodas.
Can't leave home without it.
We got a sweet crew for today. Let's see if they want to introduce themselves.
Oh wait, I'm eating.
Where are you from, bro?
Turkey.
What's your name, dude?
Ozan.
I'm from Kenya. Look.
Canada, Alexis.
We met last time. I'm from Boston.
They're all a little bit shy, but we'll break them in. Hey guys, cheers.
Cheers
to the
fuckers.
zoo.
Cheers.
So right now we're waiting for a taxi.
I'm gonna show you how you get a taxi.
Hey, to be completely fair, this is the first time we've tried to organize something and it's actually worked.
It's working. It's working.
We're not there yet,
Yeah.
so.
It's a work in progress, and I have a feeling the whole day will be a work in progress.
We like that though. We like the challenge. Hey, my boy Belgium's a madman. Look at him. Double fisting.
Let's have another one.
Man, this Uber's taking forever, but what a beautiful day for the zoo. Uber just got here. It's actually been waiting for us for a minute now.
And it actually didn't just get here. It done been here.
We were just literally sitting across the street enjoying our beers. We got to get to the zoo though. We got to stop playing around. They keep talking about how comfy we are back here, and I keep bringing it up like, yeah, we know.
Yeah, you have 2 people in that seat. We're 4 people in this seat.
Yeah,
Just as much
Just
space.
doesn't make sense, man.
There you go. Anyway, to do it.
Oh man. Oh man, we're not comfortable no more. How comfortable are you? Not comfortable at all anymore.
This is how, no.
Yo, check out the tuk-tuks here in Lima.
They technically call it motos. Moto taxi.
Motor taxi, yeah.
Oh, they're called moto taxis. I like tuk-tuks better.
We bring from Thailand with us, those of us who have been. For those of you who haven't, you should go. But in Thailand, they call them tuk-tuks, so we carry that with us. Essentially the same vehicle. Latin America calls them moto taxis.
Moto taxis. There you go. The only educational part of this film.
Run to the back.
We're just making a pit stop for some more beer. Yo, check out this armored truck, y'all. So sick.
Oh yeah.
Hey, so I really want to introduce you guys to this party animal. And tell them your name and where you're from.
I'm Ozan. I'm from Istanbul. I grew up in Istanbul. I live in the United States now. I'm a travel freak. I love traveling. I love partying. I love good vibes.
That's what I'm saying.
Yep. And I recognize a good vibe and I see it.
Hell yeah, hell yeah. We're rolling, baby. I'm gonna introduce you guys to our Uber driver. ¿Cómo te llamas, hermano?
Francisco, hola, ¿qué tal? Acá para ayudarles en lo que ustedes deseen, a sus órdenes.
Gracias, gracias. So I guess this place is called Parque de las Leyendas. One of the best parts about this whole thing is like, I literally just met all these guys a couple days ago and we've all gotten so close.
We met actually longer than a couple days ago, dude. I think we're going on a week now.
A week, dude.
A long-term relationship.
Exactly.
Yeah, put it here.
Oh no, this is my empty one. Don't give me back.
No.
So yesterday I bought a plane ticket to Colombia and turns out that my boy Belgium
10 more minutes.
is coming to Colombia too. We're about to get so fucked up together.
I have to, sorry.
So it turns out that the zoo is 14 sole, which is about $5, but he's not having it.
Yes, you are rich. I am poor.
I'm not.
Look at Elena.
Right here.
Where are you from, Elena?
From nowhere, from a place called Nirvana. Actually, right now I'm from Nirvana.
That's where I'm from.
And she's a liar. I don't like this at all. Look, I can't even see her. Yeah, I'll take a ticket, I guess.
Like, stick it.
What's going on?
Stick it.
All right, so this adventure has officially started. Check this out. Yo, this place is already so lit. Look at this. So we just came across some beautiful monkeys. Look, check them out. The most impressive one is right here.
Yeah.
Hey bro, so what is your take on this so far?
The cage is pretty small. This baby,
baby.
I think we should adopt that baby, bring it back to the United States, and maybe he can run for a president after Trump.
All right, so we're done messing with the monkeys. Hey, this is my boy Karen. Karen's from Belgium.
Hey man, what's up? Let's see some animals right now. Boom, boom, boom.
What do you? Hey, how long have you been traveling for?
8 months right now.
8 months?
Yeah.
Where have you been?
It's the first 2 I see right now. And
Oh,
the
yeah?
first thing I saw was Bolivia. Then Argentina, Uruguay, Chile, Peru. That's it.
So you're on a long trip.
Yep.
All right, guys. So far, I'm very disappointed in the zoo. I haven't seen shit.
Yep. I'm smoking cigarettes for stress.
Like, dude, there's literally no animals here. Everything's closed. Yeah, Hannah's supposedly from a place called Sweden. I didn't even know that was a place.
Sweden?
Oh my god.
That's a place?
Oh my god.
That's a place?
Sweden? Is that even real?
It's the fucking most amazing place on earth. A bit cool though. No penguins, but amazing.
I guess we'll have to check it out one day. Alright guys, so this is the worst fucking zoo I've ever been to. Like,
There is no animals here.
literally, dude.
You can't drink beer, you can't smoke cigarettes, so it's like no fun. Like, what the fuck?
It's like rabbit.
So we just came across a Patagonian mata, and this thing looks like a kangaroo slash goat.
Slash my sister.
Ooh.
Never see them.
What do you think about this zoo?
This zoo is sucking like hell, and it's sad for the animals. Too
It's
small.
the saddest zoo I've been to in a minute. But that motherfucker,
Dude, that's a leopard in the smallest cage possible. Like, it has no friends. Yeah, I totally agree with Belgium. He's not enjoying the zoo at all. This place is pretty depressing, guys. Like, if you guys come to Lima, do not visit this zoo. This zoo's shit. I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything. These animals do not look happy at all. And yeah, I can't believe I paid $5 to enter this park.
Come, let me touch you.
Dude, Belgium's a fool, yo.
Oh, but he's so cute.
No? Don't like it?
I don't think that's the best thing to do at the zoo. Giraffes are like the most beautiful animal in my opinion.
Wow.
I just found the most impressive animal here. Look. Isn't he sweet? Officially say I've watched Black Panther.
it's like a black leopard.
What a sad view, sad view.
Yeah, look at him, he's sad.
Yeah. Look, boom, back again.
Yeah, there's nothing else to do here. Oh my god.
Yeah, this place is fucked up.
Yeah. This fucked up place.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
I mean, why? This is the worst. Why do we keep like...
Chow time.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they're not like you.
So I think that's about it for our day here at the zoo actually.
Yeah.
None of us really enjoyed that too much. Don't recommend it.
Yeah, I'm usually like a fan of seeing other people being sad and feeling shittier than me.
We're all
but
sad now.
I don't like seeing animals being shittier than me, man.
We're out of here. We're about to go get some grub and start focusing on what this night's about to offer.
Yeah, because we started this day like fucking professionals, and we're gonna end this day like fucking professionals.
Passed out on the curb. Sweet. So we're heading to Barranco to get some chow, maybe some drinks. Start this pregame for tonight, baby.
Wait!
Hey, so the homie's on the DJ right now.
Rap going down.
Turkish rap, baby.
Turkish rap? Like, what the fuck?
Sweet. So we're about to get some all-you-can-eat sushi.
Please, give me some fucking food.
That's how we all feel after leaving that zoo.
Oh, I'm so thirsty right now.
I actually really enjoy visiting the Larcomar mall. Yo, man, this mall is so sick. Literally built right into the cliff edge.
That zoo was weak.
And it's so American. It's just not at all. No.
They're hating so hard right now. They're like, this is so American. We're taking over shit. What do you mean?
It is American. It's nice. I'm not saying it's not nice, but
It's
just
not
American.
Peruvian and we're in Peru. So.
True, true. We have arrived to the sushi spot.
passion? Hacer el
Passion and
Yo, this place is fire.
On fire.
Bombing.
Yo, Belgium just ate a whole wasabi ball. Let's see if he'll do it again.
good. Fuck me.
No!
Oh.
No, don't.
Yeah,
No! Fuck.
Nothing special, dude.
I guess it's time for round 2. Yo, check out the madness.
I think we have like 6 more coming, dude.
All right, so we just finished that meal. It was amazing. All right, now that we're stuffed, I think we're gonna make our way back to the hostel. But if you guys like today's adventure, please comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. Thank you.